Hey, my name is Gustav Karlberg. I'm a product and furniture designer. I live here in Malmö. I have my studio here and my company is called Karlberg Design.
My name is Stina Henriksson and I'm an industrial designer and I have the studio Sak Design Studio.
I work mostly as a consultant for other companies, helping them develop ideas and designs. And I also do a lot of studio works where I do my own ideas and sketch and make prototypes.
I focus mainly on product design and furniture design.
My name is Johanna.
And I'm Albin, and together we are Polymorph, design, architecture and research practice working in the borderland between craft and digital fabrication.
I'm Sara Sjöbeck and I am an artist and designer.
My name is Lotte Olsson and everything I do is somehow connected to nature.
I mostly work with installation art and sculpture.
Whether it being an illustration of a tree, a sculpture of a leaf, or as in this exhibition, a concept for meadow and meadow seeds.
One of the most valuable things about going pro has been meeting other self-employed designers and seeing how everyone does it very differently.
The open call came very convenient for me since I started up just a month or two earlier. So it was great and a great opportunity to get to know other designers in various stages of going pro process and sharing thoughts and advice and things like that.
All the tools and exercises has been very insightful for us to help us see the larger picture and to structure our business and to focus on our goals.
No, I wanted to organize my business a bit better and just learn and see what Malmö could potentially offer for me as a company and as an artist and designer. Yeah.
Applying for Going Pro, I saw as a good opportunity to get good advice and knowledge about running your own creative company.
I wanted to go into Going Pro because I wanted to explore my own stuff more and try to make more room for my own ideas and products.
And also gave me a platform to try out a new concept.
It's been really valuable with this Going Pro just to have the time to think about my own company and get the time to explore what I want, how I want to go forward.
No, but it's a lot of hard work and I think the beauty lies within the easy access and the local producers and all these collaborations. It feels like Malmö really wants to see people succeed and not just a selected part of the industry, and I think that's very beautiful.
There is a lot going on design-wise in southern Sweden, I think. Both traditional design and research with new materials and things like that.
I have lived in many Swedish cities and I think that Malmö is one of the best when it comes to running your own companies. It's very allowing and with many workshops and a lot of space.
Since we're working a lot with clay and ceramic also, southern Sweden is a very interesting place for us to be because there's a lot of history working with clay and ceramics.
It's a very convenient city, I think, to live in and easy to get everywhere. A lot of manufacturing and a lot of good people to make prototypes and also quite tight design community. So it's easy to hang out. You know everyone, kind of. So that's a good thing.
It's quite hard for me to answer since I'm so freshly started, but so ask me in a year from now, maybe. But for now it's been a great feeling of freedom to be able to choose your own way of working and also having a lot of designers around here in southern Sweden, a large community and Form Design Center helping out.
Hopefully I could maintain some sort of local production here, maybe build a bigger studio where I could manufacture some local production and employ people from Malmö, of course.
And in the future, I hope to go more into landscape design and ecological design and dynamic design, working with a longer perspective. And I would like to work with things that add to nature and not the other way around.
In 5 years, I hope I have an established business and that I can continue working with own ideas and inspiration, but also in collaborations with others.
So in 5 years, we're still 3D printing with clay, and we have expanded our workshop with more tools and different machines.
In 5 years' time, I see myself working with my own expression more and diving deeper in my own products and furniture.
Hopefully we're not doing all of the things ourselves anymore either, but there is someone else working with us.
A small brand where I sell some one-offs or smaller series of furniture, and just being more free. I am exhibiting some chairs, stackable chair in steel wire. I'm going to show, I think, 2 chairs in different looks.
We are showing a collection of vases called Bubbler, which is created with an algorithm that makes it very easy to create unique objects, and where the surface is smoothed by hand, and we wanted to showcase something that where the blend of craft and digital fabrication is visible.
I have 4 different exhibitions around town. Here at Luxdalarna I'm showing a table, and at Stor Studio there's the exhibition OK Amazing. I have 2 projects there, one together with Anna Ottosson, and I am also showing my candle recycling project Little Foundry at Beyond Us.
And in this exhibition I'm showing a new concept called Engogram. It's a concept with meadows and meadow seeds.
So I'm going to be showing parts of my furniture collection called X, and X was originally made for a techno club in Malmö, a queer techno club called X. And I will also show you some of my light works. Yeah.